Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to flip the camera on Discord. First, install and launch a virtual camera application such as OBS Studio. These apps allow you to manage, adjust, and even flip your camera feed before setting it to Discord. In OBS, click on the Start Virtual Camera button at the bottom. This activates the virtual camera output, allowing OBS to send Discord its video feeds to any app that uses a camera, including Discord. Next, open Discord on your computer. Click on the settings icon in the bottom left side near your username. In the settings menu, scroll down the left hand side dashboard and click on voice and video. Now, scroll down until you find a toggle for always preview video and turn it on. This lets your camera feed before anyone else sees. Finally, select the video background or camera feed that you want and adjust any flips or rotation in your virtual camera app. Your Discord camera will now display the flipped or customized feed you set up. I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you soon. Peace.